This is going to be a reading for soulmate twin flames. So if you consider yourself to be in that sort of a connection, then please watch forward. This is all signs included. Okay. So yeah, let's start. What's the current scenario like? What's the current scenario like between soulmate twin flames? What's the current scenario like between soulmate twin flames? Currently your person could just have given you like any sort of attention. Okay, your person is around. I believe if they are not around, they are going to come around. Okay, I definitely see a reunion. I would not say like commitments and stuff, but this person is definitely going to try to behave a lot more friendly with you, a lot more sweeter, a lot more active, a lot more attention than they have given so far. Okay, top card we have here is Queen of Wands, so I see them really taking action towards you. Okay, so one more card. How are they thinking of you now? How is your soulmate twin flame thinking of you now? One card for how is your soulmate twin flame thinking of you now? Okay. So right now with Nine of Swords, this person got so restless and they could not sleep. They could not do much without you. So they finally took that initiative to take action. Okay. Right now this person might be, in the past, this person could have felt left out in the cold by you, or they could not really face the fact that you are not in their life. So for many of you, I see them reaching out. Okay. Give me one more card as to how are they thinking of you now. How are they possibly thinking of you now? How are they possibly thinking of you? With Five of Cups, right now I still see them missing you. They fear losing you. They do not know, what will happen in the future. Okay, so I do not see that many of them see a future with you. I'll be very honest with you. You're very direct. So this person fears losing you because they are unsure about the future. Okay, with the Hanged Man, they feel like they cannot do much about the whole situation. They are in a very helpless situation, or they cannot take action. For some of you, I believe that this person was in a third party relationship. Okay, they loved your attention, they liked your attention, but they had to choose between you and someone else, and they are not being able to. For some of you, not for all. If there is no third party, then there could be issues regarding, their parents not wanting you guys to be together, or their ex partner not wanting you guys to be together. There's definitely blockages in this connection. Okay, so how are they possible to come forward towards you now? How are they possibly going to come forward towards you? One card for how is your soulmate twin flame possibly going to come forward towards you now? Sorry. For many of you, I believe this person is going to come back, but they are not going to give much. Okay, I still see this person being emotionally distant. Okay, so if you ask me if this person is going to start showing you their emotions, feelings, going to start accepting the relationship, start possibly waking up to the relationship, or possibly considering you that they are in a relationship with you, I don't see that. Okay, I still see them being emotionally distant. Okay, give me one more card as to what are they wanting to offer you now. What are they wanting to offer you now? One card for what's this person possibly wanting to offer you. Soulmate twin flames, what this person is possibly wanting to offer you. We already have a card. With Empress card and Emperor card, this is for many of you a soulmate twin flame connection, like a twin flame connection. Soulmate, we all are soulmates, but twin flame. Okay, like we have the Emperor and the Empress. Emperor is at the bottom. So for some of you, this person might get sweeter, might want to spend more time with you, but I still see on some which level that they are not going to open up completely. Okay, top card I see is the Tower card. So something tells me that there is going to be some breakthrough moment, like they are going to tell you something that's going to shake your ground a little. Okay, I definitely see that happening. One more card is to what they are wanting to offer you now. What's this person possibly wanting to offer you? One card for what this person wanting to offer you. with Eight of Swords, I still feel like you guys would not be able to do much. They are not in a position to offer you much. Okay, with the Knight of Pentacles, they might want to possibly promise you for the future, but right now they do not have much to offer. Okay, with Eight of Swords, they do not feel like they are in a position or they are free to offer you a relationship or a commitment. I, however, see them wanting to come forward in a very friendly manner, trying to possibly spend more time with you, but not really opening up about emotions, feelings, nothing like that. Okay, so one card for their current energy towards you, one card for Soulmate Twin Flames current energy towards you. Soulmate Twin Flames current energy towards you. One card for their current energy towards you. With Four of Wands, they are very much knowing that you are something special. Okay, with Page of Wands, I see them communicating. I see them wanting to talk to you, wanting to spend more time with you, even want to go on a date with you. But when it comes to wanting to express feelings, emotions, accepting the relationship, getting into a relationship, I still see that being in the future, not now. Okay. So for now, this is what I have for you. So let's see where this connection is possibly moving forward. Where is this connection possibly moving forward for now? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for now? This is going to be for the next 24 hours. So where is this connection possibly going to move on from now? One card for that. Sorry. So right now with the Star card, I still feel like this is going to move forward. This is not ending. For many of you, this is going to continue. Just a minute, I just dropped my cards. This is definitely going to continue, but it will take time. Okay, it's not going to be easy. Okay, for many of you, I still feel like this person is finally going to give you the attention. Okay, I definitely see communication for many of you. Okay, please do come and do let me know. Communication is definitely happening or will happen in the next 24 hours. But I still feel them not wanting to open up emotionally. Yes, they'll flirt. Yes, they'll be more cheesy and stuff. I also see them spending more time with you than usual. But when it comes to accepting the relationship and opening up to you about the relationship, I still do not see that happening. Okay, give me a minute. I'll shuffle again and pull two cards. They do not feel like they are in a position to offer you commitment, and that's the truth. Okay, so give me one more card as to what do they want from you now. What does this person possibly want from you? What does this person possibly want from you? One card for what does this person possibly want from you? With Knight of Cups, they definitely want you to be open to them. They want you to hold on to them. They definitely want you to take control of this relationship. They do not want you to leave. They do not want you to leave. Okay, they want you to still be sweet to them, still be open to them, still be communicative to them. They might also want you to express your feelings. They like when you express your feelings, but they do not feel like they are in a position to, and neither have they yet expressed their feelings. With Ten of Cups, they do want this future with you, but they do not feel like they're in a position to offer you commitment. Okay, there are definitely blockages that are stopping them from or like wanting to offer you commitment. Okay, so let's take love messages from your person, love messages from your soulmate. Okay, love messages from your soulmate twin flame. What do they want to say to you now? What do they truly want to say to you now? Okay, you are my paradise. I have longed for you forever. Okay, second message we have is can you promise you won't break my heart? Okay, so they want you to promise that you won't break their heart, and you are their paradise. Okay, you are the only person that understands me, and that scares me a lot. Okay, so bottom card is I'm addicted to you. It's so scary. Okay, so yes, this was your reading. This was a general reading for soulmate twin flames. So if it has resonated, I'll be doing it a lot more. So please support the reading. If it has, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for coming in. I hope you have a great day ahead. Cheers.